and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This actually works, guys. It's super insane. So yeah, it's totally updated. Okay, guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get everything for free at Amazon. So let me just show you guys. As you can see in the Amazon app, go to checkout. Look at this. So promo reissue vault. This is a feature that's only in the modded Amazon, but it lets you get like free gift cards. So I'm going to wait for this to load. Then I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, guys, it's scanning and all this stuff. So let's just give it a second for this to load. As you can see, all right, so press continue, and it's applying the gift card, guys. So this is super cool. All right, $37. I'm gonna be so rich. So as you can see, it says placing your order. So we should have got it for free, guys. Bang, bang, bang. Look at that. So as you can see, I got the order for free. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this for iOS and Android. So just go to matrixmods.com, find the Amazon, press on it, press download. This is gonna start downloading the mod. So you just have to wait for this to download, and then you can get orders for free with the promo reissue vault. So as you can see, it's loading up right now. So we'll just give it a second, but as you can see, it's loading right here. So I'm just gonna give it a second for this to load. So as you can see, it says almost there, additional files are required. So we just have to download 2 of these apps. So like Travel Town's a game, and it says reach level 10. So just press continue, it takes you to the App Store, download it, and then just reach level 10. So that's pretty easy. But yeah, make sure you guys do 2 of these. This one just so happens to be a game, but some of them aren't games, they're apps. So for instance, like there's like Matrix Bucks, install, register, down Monopoly Go, and complete your first event. And then there's TikTok, which says down and run for 30 seconds. So you just want to make sure you do 2 of these. I'm gonna see you later, but that's how to get all orders free at Amazon. One thing that you could do though is make sure you go to settings and you got low power mode off and you got background refresh turned on. But other than that, you should be good to go, guys. So I'm going to see you later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you do want to get this for your device. Free stuff at Amazon. As you can see, I got my entire order for free. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to get stuff for free at Amazon. This is legit, and you can actually do it. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. Get the word out. This is super awesome. Totally works. So as you can see, order confirmation, and that is so cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. This is super crazy, and it's actually working. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, try it out for yourself, guys. It's super cool, so you guys can actually do this. So that is crazy, bro. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps, and you can see it says complete 2 offers. This verifies access, funds the Matrix project so we can remain free. So that's all you gotta do. So be sure to try it out. I'm gonna see you guys later. But that's how to get everything for free at Amazon, guys. So it's just super cool, and it totally works. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, I haven't had any problems with this at all. So you literally just gotta download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and you're gonna be all set, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, this is legit. So I hate Amazon, but now that I can order stuff and effectively get it for free, I'm in love with Amazon again. So yeah, this is super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, make sure you download 2 of the apps. You're going to be good to go. So just go to settings, make sure you got background refresh turned on, and you got low power mode off. You're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, this is super crazy, guys. Fully works. So just download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and you're going to be all set. So yes, super crazy, guys. So hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, try it out, guys. This is so cool. And it's totally working, by the way, so you can do this any day of the week. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So peace out, my gang. Hope you watched it until the end. But yeah, subscribe and peace out.